I don't care which phone you own, you can take a good picture than you used to do. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to boost your phone image quality. So the first thing is going to be like cleaning your phone cameras. These small cameras that you are seeing here need to be clean. See some people, they will grab their phone and they will start shooting it, like taking a picture. They don't even realize like there could be like a dust is like sitting around here, like when someone presses this camera, so you will see like a dust and it will never come out as good picture. So mostly like when you're using front camera, so some people will be like talking with their phone. See this all oil, like the oil that you have on your skin is going to be on your camera. So you just grab it and without cleaning it, if you take a picture or a selfie, it's not going to look good. So make sure that you clean your camera. So it's going to change everything. This is before and this is after. Are you seeing? Like it has a big difference. Like see, before you clean it, it would look like this, and after you clean it, it would look like this. The second thing to improve your phone image quality is like adding a light to your image. Like when you're shooting a video or picture, like try to add some more light, you know. It cannot take a good picture when it's like dark. You're supposed to put some more light. You can even use a sun. There's a video that we did on the sunlight. So if you don't know like how to use your phone in the sunlight, please make sure you watch this video and subscribe my channel. Adding a light to your image is like the best thing that you can do to improve your videos, yeah? So the third way to improve your phone image will be like to keep it steady and straight. Like when you use your phone, like treat it like a camera. You have to like use your both of your hands. If you are using like this, you have to use like both of your hands and treat it like a camera. Be like, try to be straight. If you have a tripod or stand, use a stand. But if you don't have, try to make it like straight and don't shake it too much. When you're taking a picture, don't be taking with one hand and do like this. People when they do this, to shake and then like it on the picture won't be good. So you have to just make it steady and just take with 2 hands like this. If you like it so far, I have another video that I did more connected to this one. Watch this video, you're going to love it more, and it will give you more tips, and like it will teach you a lot. So watch that video.